Forex, short for foreign exchange, is a bustling global marketplace for currencies. It's where different currencies are exchanged, just like trading goods in a market. Imagine planning a trip to Europe. You'd need to exchange your home currency, such as US dollars, to euros. That's the Forex market in action, setting the exchange rates. Now here's what makes trading the Forex market appealing. Unlike traditional stock markets, Forex operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and is closed during the weekend. The 24-hour operation is divided into 4 major trading sessions: Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York, and they overlap. This means that whether you're a night owl or an early bird, there's always an opportunity to trade. But how does Forex trading actually work? It's about trading in currency pairs, where each pair consists of 2 currencies, a base currency and a quote currency. Let's break it down with an example. The euro-dollar currency pair. The euro represents the European currency, and the dollar stands for the United States currency. When you trade this pair, you're speculating on the euro's strength or weakness against the US dollar. If you believe the euro will strengthen, then you buy the pair, going long on the trade. If you think it will weaken, you sell it, shorting the pair. Your ultimate goal, regardless of the trade direction you take, is to profit from these currency movements. Thanks for watching. MillionAlgo, with you from the beginning of your trading journey.